Today we're going to be using ChatGPT to give us coding challenges that we have to solve in under 60 minutes. Let's get into it. So I think the hardest thing that we're going to have to need to do, or that I'm going to need to do, is build the prompt. So the prompt is going to need to be crafted in such a way where the project is sufficiently challenging, but not too hard where I can't complete it. And it doesn't. I don't want it to be too easy where I finish it in 10 minutes. Oops. Let's start with some background on my skill level. Working in the life. Let's say working in biotech, and would consider myself intermediate. Let's see. I have a data scientist working in biotech. I have 4 years of Python programming and consider myself intermediate. I want to code after work, but I can't think of what to make. Provide me 2 code challenges that should be able to challenge me to complete 6 exponential less. These challenges can be related to making a script associated with my machine. They can include implementing an algorithm, either from scratch. The challenge should use Python, and then you relate packages. The challenge allows for them. All right, let's see what we get. Your first challenge is to create a Python script that will automatically scrape news articles related to biotech from a source of your choice, ScienceDaily.com or biotechnow.org. Let's make this a little bigger. There you go. Parse out relevant information such as article title, date, and a brief summary, and save this information into a CSV file. You should use web scrapers such as Beautiful Soup or Scrapey or HTTP request package like requests. So I've used requests. I've used Beautiful Soup. I've never used Scrapey, or I think there's Selenium's one too, but I haven't used those either. So might be interesting. Next, you'd extend the script to count how many articles are published each day and create a plot using Matplotlib or C1 showing the turnover time. You may need to scrape data from a period of time to have meaningful visualization. This could be a great way to keep an eye out plus the industry. Okay. To add complexity, you could implement a basic natural language processing algorithm to classify the articles into different categories based on their content. Use packages like NTLK or space for this. Okay, never ventured into NLP, so this is definitely going to be a stretch goal. But okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, could be done. I like how it starts with like a base. Just do this, next do this, and then like as a stretch goal. That's actually really cool. And honestly, I've been wanting to do some web scraping recently, and I know it's great, but I think this is actually perfect. So I think I'm going to choose this first one. And let's copy and paste these instructions. Can I copy it? Nope. Let's move this over just a smidge. There we go. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, and let's copy this. Let's make this bigger. Make this bold. All right. Let's start. All right, so first we're going to import our libraries. So, actually no, first we're going to set up our environment. So open up terminal. And I don't think I have one already set for something like this, so we're going to make a new one. Conda create new, I think it's new, or n, and it's going to be called scrape n, and it's going to have Python equal to, I always use 3.8. I think that's how you do it. Let's see. Gonna create new, scrape n, Python 3.8. This takes forever. Dang, already a minute down. Well, just leave it. Definitely don't know if I'm gonna get to that last topic. That's tough. What? Hold on. So already stopping at the first step. Conda environment. Cheat sheet. Essential cheat sheet. Conda create name, not new. There we go. Yeah, Conda create name, not new. Alright. Oh, it's 2 little dashes. Hopefully it doesn't mess anything up. You know what, it might. Let's just do this. Alright, let's do 2, just in case I mess them up. Yep, knew it. Alright. Install pip? That's interesting. Conda activate scrape env. There we go. Okay, let's get this started. We're going to clear, and then we're going to. Well, actually, I don't know if Conda has beautiful soup available, but we're gonna find out. Let's install our packages. Conda install pandas. I don't think we need numpy. Let's do the pandas and. Is it BS4 or beautiful soup? Install beautiful soup Conda. Let's see. Beautiful soup 4. Let's just do this right here. Perfect. Let's see if this works. Oh wait, I didn't install pandas. That's right. Let's see. Okay. Perfect. Let's clear this. Make this smaller. Import pan. This as PD. Import from import beautiful soup as BS4. How do you import? Import. Huh. Oh, I didn't. Is this using? Oh no, I'm not using it as my interpreter. Okay. Scrape in. Yep. Works. Is this not? Is this still not the right one? Import. It's not called BS4 though. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, so it is. From BS4 import beautiful soup. Okay, so we already have this quick start here. Okay, well, let's go to the documentation so that I can have a better idea of what I'm doing. So, beautiful soup Python. Let's make this a little bigger for you guys too. There we go. I don't know what crummy.com is. Okay, HTML doc. HTML parser, prettify. Oh yes, okay. With open index HTML as FP soup. How do I use a how do I use a website or like a URL? Okay, go down. Okay, scrape the fake Python. Nope. Okay, inspect your data source. All right. Okay. I don't really. Okay. Maybe I'll go down one more guide. Soup 4, inspect your target HTML. Okay, but okay, hold on. To scrape using beautiful soup. Well, you do need requests, I think. Oh, okay, so you do need requests. Header, oh yeah, okay, it's all coming back to me now. Headers. Okay, so let's install Conda install requests. Might use a different channel, but perfect. Yes. Okay, but it's supposed to. Okay, cool. All right, cool. So import requests, and then we can import CSV as well. So we have to write to a CSV later anyway. All right, so first it looks like I get the URL. URL equals, and then the URL, we're just gonna start at this main page here. Wait. Blogs. Yeah, I think we'll just start here. Bio events, for members, policy. I don't see any like specific events, biomedia. I don't see any like specifics on biotech besides obviously like the page. Oh wait, here. Human health, business and bio industry. Okay, explore the blog. So this is the page we want. All right, good thing. Took a little digging, but this is the page we want. Is it organized by the date? These were, so 2020. Is this like an old website? 2020. 2022. Oh. Good gracious, this is old. Okay, well, is the other website not old? Let's see. It's not old. Okay. Okay, well, we're going with this one. So let's go with biology. Or what if we go with biotech? Oh, here we go. But what is this? This isn't like an article, though. Oh, wait, is it? No, it's not. It's not really an article. And these aren't really like... Yeah, this website isn't the greatest, if I'm being honest. Maybe I'll just get this breaking. Is there like a breaking page? Oh, here we go, breaking. All right, let's just do breaking. Yeah, let's just do breaking. Let's do breaking. Yeah, we're gonna do breaking. Perfect. So we're taking breaking. URL equals breaking. Because I want. We're gonna remix it a little bit and just have like the top news, and then maybe summarize it or something so that I get a email at some point. I don't know, but let's see. URL r equals okay. Let's make a request. R equals request dot we make a get request, and we're passing in that URL, and then soup. This equals beautiful soup. R.content, and then I think we're selecting our parser. Is it the parser? Yeah, the HTML parser. Okay, HTML5 lib, and then I think we could do soup.content or soup.file. Okay, so let's just see, because I know there's a prettify, but let's just see what this is gonna give us. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Soup. Let's run this. What are we getting? Already 15, 30, 40, already 25% of the way there. Okay, so we're getting an error. I couldn't try to attribute the features you request HTML5 lib. Do you need to install a parser library? Do I need to install? I don't know. Do I? Beautiful soup, BS4. Let's see. Does it have the imports? Oh, yep. Okay. So we do conda install. HTML5 lib. It doesn't have it. I have to install it, but let's see. Yes, it does. Perfect. Thank you, Conda. And then let's try this again. All right, so we got okay. HTML head, body, HTML. Okay, well, it's a start. R.content. So if we do soup.prettify. Soup.prettify. Let's see what happens. Alright, so we're not getting anything. I think it's because it's blocking me because I'm using obviously using Python, so it's great to use personal soup with. Is this the same one? This one had something else. This article had something else in there. All right. Go down. Okay, page.text. If I do r.text. I think it is not letting me do this, but let's see. Same thing. Okay, cool. And this is the right website, right? This is the right link. Okay. Websites, dynamic websites. I think I'm just gonna have to Google because this is assuming that you're not getting blocked. Okay. How would I put this? To scrape. Let's see. Requests not returning page HTML. KKKKK. Here, other option is linked down as a CSV. Import JSON. Okay. What's that text? HTML.parser. I don't think this is gonna be it. Actually, not JSON object. Let's see. So I would recommend using the code that I use below. It returns a full request or .get. Let's see. HTML.parser. Print.soup. Let's try r.content. Let's see what happens here. I might need to actually. Nothing happened. All right. All right. Browser.get URL. Oh, this is it. Okay. All right. Okay. This, I forgot about this. It's user agent. All right, let's do this. Headers. Totally forgot about that. So I think this is changing your headers so that the website doesn't recognize me as a as a bot essentially. So headers, and then I can probably pass that in, right? Yep. Okay. So URL headers equals headers, and then as a GET request still, and then we're getting the text. All right, let's run this. Here we go, I think. Yep. Beautiful. All right, so we got the actual web page. Now we need to get some content from this web page. Is it this? Okay, so this is store code says find div id all codes. Okay, so what are the IDs, attributes? Okay, so let's see. Let's inspect this website. This is what I want. I want the title. What did I say? I want title, date, brief summary. So title, date, and brief summary. All right there. I don't know what all these. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. We're just gonna stick with the first one. So let's inspect this. Let's open up the DevTools and minimize this for a second because it's in the way. So we see. Let's take a look. Let's make this a little bigger. So this is the DevTools. If you've never seen the DevTools, you right-click and inspect. You can essentially inspect the HTML code for any web page on the internet, and it helps when you're web scraping because then you can actually look and see what you're trying to grab and the actual layout of the page. And so, and we click this. Oh, this is new. I didn't know it was like this now. Click this little arrow here, and you can actually like zoom in. So the title is a link tag, and it's a link tag. Does it have any? No. Okay, so head H3 class equals latest dash head. So I think we can get H3. What about this one? Tab pane, latest head. Okay, so, and let's go back because we're gonna try and do something. What is going on? This is ridiculous. Okay, here we go. Okay. Da da da. So for websites, I for information URLs. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. 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 All right. All right. Okay. Okay. Use it by ID. Okay. I don't think the div has a results container, but let's see. I mean, it has a ID. The div doesn't have an ID. It has a class. Oh, no, it does. Science tab 1. But this one. Oh, wait. This. Science tab 0. Okay, so it's science tab 0, 1. Tab pane active. Tab pane. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's go back. I'm starting to get lost in here. Tab pane, tab pane, tab pane. Okay. So we can, I think we can iterate through here with the science tab. Div ID equals science tab, and then let's try and get 1. Let's try and get the first one. Let's try and get the first one. So let's do tabs equals, let's do tab underscore panes equals, let's put that timer back up there, equals, and then we're going to do soup dot find ID equals, and then it was, oh wait, yeah, it was, what was that ID was, oh, it was a class, oh no, yeah, so science underscore tab underscore 1, I think this is 0, yeah, let's do 0, science underscore tab underscore 0, nope, not that big, science underscore tab underscore 0, yep, let's see what happens. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Am I getting the? Should I get the content? Probably should get the content. Let's try getting the content. All right, and let's run this. Nothing. Oh wait. I need to print it. I'm tripping. Print tab panes. And let's go back just in case, because I wasn't printing it. So messed up. All right, so let's see what we're gonna get. All right. So tab pane active, ID science tab 0. All right. Okay. All right, and we have the title right here. So we have the title right here, but I think we can go href class equals latest dash head. I think we can. Well, what happens if we go content? If it's a little better, or no? All right, let's see. Oh, I can do results dot prettify. My bad. Tab panes dot prettify. Let's run this. All right. Okay, so we're getting the science tab 0, and then we're getting this latest summary, story date. Okay, then can we get something from this? And then can we just like almost like a for loop, like we have 0, and now we can get the I don't know, can we just like iterate through it and get like class latest head or something? Okay, class equals dot find. So we can do a class. Okay, we can do a class. So if we go back here and we inspect again, does this have a class? I don't think it has a class. It has, there's a class for latest head. There's a class for latest head. but not for the href. And so, are they all latest head? Yeah. So it's an H3. Is it going to give me all the information though? Oh no, latest summary. Okay, so we're going to want to get this div, tab-pane. Okay, so it's a class, right? Yeah, it's a class. So let's do. Is it not class? Why is this not happy? Oh, first we need to put div class underscore. Yeah, because I think class is actually a keyword. That makes sense. And then tab pane, if I'm not mistaken. Let's look one more time. Tab-pane, yep. All right, I think we're making all right time. And so let's save this. Let's run it. All right, so we have tab-pane active, ID equals, okay, latest head. So now that we got this, can we iterate through it for job element and job elements? So, and then let's see what happens if I for div in tab-panes print div dot. What happens if we just print div? What am I gonna get? I don't know what I'm gonna get. Okay, hold on. Let me delineate between the next. Next div, so I know when the next one's coming, because I can't really see what's what. All right, so we're printing the div, then next div, latest head, latest summary. Okay, all right. Hidden. I don't know what this hidden is. Okay, so maybe I can just latest head, latest summary for the title. Because what am I getting? I'm getting the title, date. Does it give me the date? It does give me the date. All right, this is the span. All right, I think we can work with this. Okay, so in for div in tab panes. Come here, Peter. You got a visitor. Yeah. For div in tab panes, we're going to first get the title. The title is latest summary. So article title equals div.find, because I think it's a soup element, and then we're gonna do div. Am I doing this right? Soup.find. Yep. I think it's div. No. Yeah. Oh, stop. Div. And then. All right. Messing up my time. Underscore class underscore equals, and then latest summary. Yeah, that should give us the title. Well, if it's not available, I don't know what it returns if it's not available. Because when we go to the next one, so this is going to be the first one that we get back, and it's going to have it. It's going to have these first two. Now, actually, I don't know if it's going to give us everything. Hold on. Let me think. I don't know if it's going to give us that, but we're going to see. Well, we're going to get article title, so we're actually going to need to save these. So, articles. Let's create what should we have? A dictionary. So we have title. Date, summary. Title, date, summary. Okay, so let's do I think we can do a dictionary where We can do data or articles equals, and then we'll have title, and then we'll do date. Oh wait, I have to put quotes around this. I'm trying to explain this after I'm done. And then summary. All right, so here we made a dictionary to hold our data. We have 3 keys: title, date, summary, and it's going to hold subsequently the title and then the date and the summary, and this should all be even, hopefully, so that we can just make this into a data frame if we even need to. If we don't need to make it into a data frame, that'd be pretty cool. And so for okay, so article title. So I actually don't think we even need to do that. We could do articles dot append, articles, and then get our keys. So we're gonna have title dot append, and then just like that. All right, and then we can do date. No, articles. That's in our key, which is date dot append, and then div, and then the same thing, really. Oh shoot. The same thing, really. But instead of latest summary, it's going to be latest summary. Oh, it's going to be a span. Span, and it's going to be story, classical story date. Story date. Articles. The last one is going to be a summary. Oh, latest summary. So that's gonna be before. Latest head, next to latest summary. I think there's a find all element where I can don't have to do this, but actually I think I'm gonna need .text. That's what it's looking like. Title, company, location. Okay, so this isn't gonna work, so we can do this. Title equals .text, like that. That's what it's looking like. I think I can do this, right? And then, well, let's just do this. Might be a little more readable if we do this. .text. I don't know if I'm going to strip or not strip, but that's what we're going to have right there. And then date equals div.find story date. Getting a little close on time. Span. Okay. And then append date.text. Date. Okay. And then next we're going to have is it a span? I think it's a span. Class story date span. Well, we have the latest summary, but I don't know how we get I don't know how we get the text. It might honestly give us it when I get the oh wait, we get the story date span, and then we just have some text here, and so we might be able to do it by getting summary equals div.find find instead of find parent. Interesting. Fine. Can I just latest summary. This actually might give us both. But why am I getting the latest summary if that's not? It's latest head. latest head, latest summary, and then we can do summary dot append, and then we can just put in summary dot text. Let's just see what this gives us and go from there. Print articles. Watch it be blank. That is probably going to be blank if I'm being honest. Oh, okay. What? Div.find takes no keyword arguments? What does that mean? Div class equal. What? Div span, div.find. Doesn't make any sense. Okay, let's just try this first. So we have tab panes. Let's just do this. Just see what's going on. I don't know what that is about. Let's do tab panes. See what we get here. Nope. None type has no. Okay, so we do get a none type if it's not there. Let me look at the tab panes again. Print tab panes. The tab panes. Tab pane active. Sign 0. Latest head. H3 class latest head. Okay. Div, latest summary, span. Alright, let's see what we get. So let's comment this out. Let's see what happens. What does this even mean? Div.find. Find takes no keyword arguments. Let's see. Find unused. Okay, perfect. Okay. Oh. Interesting. Beautiful Soup's tag also has a file. Okay. Okay. Stable soup that find table headers find all th. Oh, okay. So I knew there's a find all. Okay, so I knew there's a find all. So let's try this. Let's try. Let's still print that. Let's do titles equals tab panes dot find all, and then let's put in the th. So actually, you know what? Let's see one more time. This might give us what we need to do. This might give us what we need to do. Let's do equals. Let's do list comprehension. I'm looking over here. And let's do tab panes dot text for. Oh no, we don't need to do this. We can't do that yet. Okay, so let's try. Header equals stable.find all, then th find table. So find all. So what we're doing for articles. titles equals tabs dot find all, and then we're going to have, dang, we're going to get latest dot head h3 latest dot head, so all the h3s, I think all the h3s, h3, and let's see what we get. Print titles. Let's comment this out because we're not actually using it. All right, let's run it. All right, let's take this away so it's a little easier to see. All right, so we have latest head. Why is there only one? That's what I want to know. Why is there only one? Am I only getting one tab pane? Tab pane. I thought there were multiple tab panes. Oh, I'm getting. Oh, because I'm not doing find all. Does this take a class? Nope. Oh, we're so close. This is tab pane active. Okay. We're close, we're close, we're close. What was that error we got? Result set object and attribute pedify. You're probably treating a list of elements like a single element. Okay. So actually maybe we can't do find all and just not predify it. Find all. Okay, let's see. Find all. Okay. Oh, so right here. All right, let's see. Boom. So now we have a list of all the tab pane, right? All right. Story date. All right, so we have this. Okay. All right. What are we getting? We're getting all the tab panes. Now, okay. So we have a list. Is this what we want? Is this what we want? Can we split it on something that is separating each one of each chunk that we want to look at? Spin dot 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 dot. But this right here. Or hidden. This looks like it's separating all of them. I think this is what's separating all of them. That's what it looks like. Let's see again. Yes. So I think I can split on this. Okay, so let's delete this for now. Let's delete all this for now. Okay, so I think what we can do is do this tab panes dot split. Wait, tab panes. Is it not dot split? What am I doing? Dot strip. Let's see. How to split Python list. Actually, I might be trying to do this on. So I'm trying to do it a string on a string. Okay, so we have it in a list. We need. Can we convert it to a string equals? So I think we can do dot join and then tab panes iterable. So this should work. This should work in just making it a string. Nope, did not. Okay. How to convert one long string in a list to a string. String, list to string. This comprehension using the map function, using enumerate function. So how do I work with this? How do I convert this long list with one element? Oh wait, is it one element? I think it is one element. Let's see. Oh, it's not. Oh, okay, cool. All right. Let's see what's in here. For item 4 in tab panes, print item. What's in here? And then print next. We can do this. We can definitely do this. So each tab pane. Perfect. And I think these are text. I think this is perfect. So I think these are text. And I mean, just for the purpose of this video, I can just like index and grab what I want. So I think I can just index and grab what I want. So, okay, let's go up. Tab pane, yep. Mind brain, okay, tab pane, latest head. The sound of silence. These might be, I don't know if these are all the same length though. Well, they look like it. They definitely look like it. So okay, so we go 4 elements. This is the buzzer beater right here. Element in tab panes, and then 4 pane. Oh no, let's do 4 panel in tab panes, 4 element in panel. So we're gonna do a nested for loop. And so we're gonna iterate through each panel, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get maybe we should have kept our dictionary. Articles equals, and then let's put this back. Title, list, title, date, list, and then summary, list. Okay, what do we want to do for this? So let's do articles, or no, title equals element, and we're going to slice, I think. Because I think what we're doing is getting this now, this one object. I think. This doesn't look like a string though, so let's see what we get. Print element. Watch this be an error. Oh, it doesn't. It's not an error. Perfect. So it's giving each element. Okay. Okay. Cool. What I am... Oh, no. So what I am seeing, though, is that... Is this text? Let's see. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, it's in that... Okay, cool. It's not. Okay. So, actually then, if that is the case... I think what I can do is, instead of going through a nested for loop, it's going to be for show a buzzer beater. I think... Okay, this is what I think. Panel. I think instead of... Wait, this is getting ridiculous. I can, if it's an element... Dang. Print. Next. I think what I can do then is actually just grab everything. So, because they all have the same like elements inside. So, what I think I can do is articles, title, dot append, panel dot soup. I don't know, panel dot find. I don't like how they didn't complete, but what is it? So div tab pane h3. So I think there's only one h3. So I think it'd just be h3. Let's do print. See? Oh. Booyah. Okay, it's giving me more than I want though. H3 class, latest head. What if I just do dot text? Booyah. That is great. Alright, perfect. So, we just need to do this again. Let's clear this stuff. Might go over, but that's alright. Print next element. So, let's just print the panel again. Let's print the panel again so you just get an idea of what's in there again. So, articles, and then date dot append panel dot, where's the date, story date, span story date. I don't know if there's another span in here. Span, is there another span? Div h3 div span. I don't think there is, so let's do span dot text, and let's just go with all of them. Let's keep going over here while we're here. They delete that. Oh wait, no. There we go. Let's do this. So now we need the summary. Maybe we'll make it. And then the summary is, I think it's the div find, and I think there are more than one div. Yeah, there's more than one div. And then class underscore equals latest summary. Latest underscore summary. I think it's going to give us our dash summary. I think that's also going to give us the date though, if I'm not mistaken. So maybe I can get the summary or the date in the summary from both, but let's run this first. So print articles. Let's just see what we get. All right, let's see. Okay, so we did get the dates. Perfect. Articles, we got the date and the article. So instead of, I think, well, this looks a lot cleaner, but we could split because they all, no, because it's dash year. I was gonna say we could split on that, but that wouldn't, I mean, that would work, but let's leave it for now and start actually see if we can actually get this into a data frame and write it out. So we're actually, that's perfect, just about perfect. So actually what we're going to do is we are going to use pandas, and df equals articles, no, df equals pd.dataframe, and then put the articles in there. And then let's do print df.head, and let's look at 10 of them. And so let's run this. I don't know if we're going to need that anymore, but let's do that. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to need that. Let's zoom in a little bit for you guys. All right. So we have index, the title. I think this is the date. I think that's the date. And then the summary. So I think we can splice the summary. This all looks the same length. So this is probably what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18. And so let's do df and then summary. Let's do like this, df dot summary dot apply, and then we can do a lambda function again, and then x, and then x, and then we can splice what did I say, 18? So 18 on. I don't know if I did that right. So let's do before and after. Print df.summary, and then let's do it again after. Let's see what we get. Try and clean this up. We're gonna be right over. That's all right. It's come on now, do this to me. All right, let's see what we get. Nope, didn't work. Okay, that's cool. Maybe I didn't save it. Oh, I didn't make it. That's all right. All right, all right, all right. I think I can probably. I think I can dot split and then take the second element, but let's try this first. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so now we can write it to a data frame. Df or pd dot no df dot to underscore csv, and then we'll write it as current articles dot csv, and then index equals false. Let's run it. rid of that. Well, let's open this in, well, okay. Title, date, summary. Title, Sunny Dresser. Oh, okay, so we still have the date on this. We don't want this. Oh, no, that is the date. That's because, yes, my bad. That's the date. Okay, so date, summary. All right, so we got the main one. You should use website. Yeah. So we got this first challenge in an hour. We got an hour and 2 minutes. So that's actually really cool. So there you have it. That was me using ChatGPT to give myself an article and to have to make some sort of script that does something. I think to add to it, I'll probably add the actual link so that we can actually get to the article. And then to have maybe some kind of notification service so that when I have it automatically scrape and then send me the updates, maybe store it in some kind of database. There are honestly a lot of ways you can go with this kind of project. So if you did enjoy the video, please like the video, please share the video. And then if you did like the content, please subscribe for future videos, and we'll see you in the next video.